Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dr. Tony Ferguson. I am a professor of supply chain management. And on this channel, what I like to do is bring new and emerging information to everyone that is in the field. If you are a supply chain professional, if you are a student in supply chain management, these are the type of articles I like to bring to your attention because in this profession, it is ever changing. So I saw this interesting article, and the title of this article is "Humanoid Robots Will Transform Manufacturing and the Global Economy." So think about it for a moment. Right now, we use humans in our manufacturing facilities, but there are steps taken at this moment to use robots, humanoid robots. And so this was an interesting article. And what it demonstrated is that we are not far behind to have a factory floor full of humanoid robots. So what that would do to the workforce, it would displace the workforce, meaning that people who worked in manufacturing for years would need to look for other employment or they would need to retool themselves. So I thought this was an interesting article to bring to everyone's attention. So let me read this first line of this article. The global workforce is on the brink of transformation. So think about that for a moment. On a brink of transformation. That means there's going to be a paradigm shift in manufacturing. So I wanted you to take a look at this humanoid robots. It has arms, legs. It will go around the plant floor. I have not really seen one in person. I would like to, but there are companies right now that are developing this technology. So as a supply chain professional, if you are in management, these are some of the emerging technology you may want to look at because it's not going to be a mass inception or a mass uh, manufacturer going to just bring in multiple hundreds of robots onto the manufacturing floor. There would be like a prototype that would be brought to the manufacturing floor. And so the builders of these humanoid robots are one is we have Boston Dynamics. It's a company that is looking at building these robots. And also they would be implementing AI as part of this, the brains of the robot. So not only would you would just have a mechanical robot, you would have a thinking robot. So this was an interesting article because there's significant money being poured into this. So as you can see, the funding for this is $675 million. And so look at the companies that are primary investors. Jeff Bezos, we all know who he is. NVIDIA, we know that's a chip company. Microsoft, OpenAI. All of these companies are making investments in this technology. So what does that would do for you? That means we need to start adapting and being uh, looking at creative ways to utilize our existing workforce. And so when you have a moment, take a look at this article, especially if you are going into supply chain management or you are a supply chain manager or director or you work in senior leadership because this is the way of the future. So thank you for listening to the video, my channel. What we do is we connect the two supply chain management and artificial intelligence to see a better workforce and community. Thanks a lot.